So today I missed over here. I'm doing another step on my, this is the valance to replace the ugly valance in my pop-up camper. So first I had the one that was this ugly fabric, and I figured it'd be easier to just cut the fabric like around this Velcro and use the same one. It's really long, I don't know, 50 feet or something like that. So I am down to the last step, which is just, first I'm gonna iron. I decided to use the cotton setting. I added some water. I'm gonna fold a hem on these, and I'm gonna put the ends together so that I can, try to make them the same length. Yeah, and then we're gonna put it in the camper. Hopefully it looks good. So how I did this, I didn't have space to make a video. I did right sides together. So this Velcro was against this, and I sewed there, so the two wrong sides were out. And then I folded it over and ironed that, and then I sewed along there, so now the right sides are outside. And then what did I do? Oh, and then just now I finished sewing along here just so it's like more one piece. What else am I forgetting? Oh yeah, on one end, the Velcro, it had a piece of Velcro on the outside so that like the two sides will come together like this, and that's why it's important that I make them the same length. So valance, in case you don't know, it's the curtain thing. It's like the bangs of the curtain. I was okay with just not having valances, but there would be visible wires in our camper, so we decided that, yeah, that would be a good thing to have a valance. So I picked this Jacobean fabric. It looked nice with the tile, I guess technically stickers that are already in there. And then I will show you the fabric I'm using for the covers of the cushions. This is the fabric I used for the cushion covers. It's a really resilient polyester. I made them fitted sheet style. And here they are. All 9 are done. And it's I don't know if it's wrinkle resistant or wrinkle free, but it's good. It's actually the same material you could use to make like athletic wear. They say also presentation posters. So we'll see how it holds up. But I think that looks nice together. Oh, and here's the two curtains dry. So the color difference it's color difference, but it's not all that dramatic. With these over here and these over here, like somewhere else, I think it's not that big a deal. So in theory, before we leave on Thursday, I will take away this Uggers thing and replace with this fabric. Okay, bye.